next on our project truck, we need to get a new fuel filter put in. So Jim is going to walk me through how to install a new Napa Gold fuel filter onto our S10.
Yep. First thing we're going to do is loosen up both of the fuel lines going into it, and for that we'll just take these 2 wrenches. All right, now that we've gotten those loose, you can keep going and take that off. I'm gonna go and get the bolt loose holding the clamp that holds that fuel filter in. And then we can slide the new one into its place. These do have a flow direction. As we can see here, this one has the arrow pointing this way. And so we're gonna install it like this. Also, the shape gives you a clue as to which way it goes. Pull that and let it drain a little. All right. So now we just need to get the clamp off of this old filter, and then we can replace it onto the new one. And then we can go ahead and start these fittings back in. I'll have you get that started first, because those are sometimes a pain to align. Once you get those on there, then I'll make sure that the bracket's in the right place. And then we'll get it bolted back to the frame before we tighten everything up. That's good. Now make sure it's in the right spot on the frame. Wow, looks like we got it first try, which is... And the last thing to do is to make sure that these pipes go back into the bracket as well. And that's it.
Cool.